Morning guys, Justin with Landscaping Entrepreneur. Today is Wednesday, June 6th, and I'm just headed to shop. We're having our meeting today instead of Monday. Monday we had rain. Yesterday we had rain in the afternoon, so we skipped the meeting. We're having the meeting this morning. Last week was quite a struggle. It's proving very difficult with all new people to run a business, and our numbers reflected that. This week so far is going a lot better. We got a new guy in today who is real solid. I've been looking forward to him starting. He may possibly be a production manager. Right now, all we really have time to do is, book work and send the guys out, but there's not enough monitoring of production in terms of guys wasting time, guys on their phones, winding spools while they're in the passenger seat, the passenger doing the timesheets rather than the driver. The quality of work, it's all kind of being neglected. So I'm hoping that this new guy will be able to help with that sort of stuff. Also, one thing I wanted to talk about that I've been noticing a lot is we have a small office, and the office person likes to ask questions in general. Even the manager was asking a lot of questions. And what I keep telling them is, I keep telling Drew and thinking myself, is that it's like a GPS. So if you're always available, they're not going to bother to figure it out themselves, because they're just going to ask you, because you're going to instantly have the answer and they don't have to think. So it gets frustrating because, the office person or even Drew, the new manager, will just spit out questions that distracts you. It's so unproductive because it's more convenient to ask you than it is to figure it out themselves. Whereas if you're not as available and they have to actually call you, they're only going to call you after they figure out questions. So, it's just like a GPS. It keeps telling them exactly what to do, turn left, turn right. You never learn how to get anywhere. If you figure it out, it takes a little bit longer, but then you remember. So that, that's definitely a theory that's proven true. Even when I mentioned that to Drew, he said, you know what, that's true. Sometimes Loretta will say, hey, when you have a second, can you help me with this? And then Drew won't get back to her for half an hour. And he'll be like, sorry, what did you need help with? And then she'll be like, oh, I already figured it out. So that's a big thing I've noticed and important to keep in mind. So anyway, I'll catch you guys next time.